guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arshan and back with a new video, and today I feel like today is officially my first full makeup look because I have on a dark lip. My last couple of videos was full makeup look, but this right here, the smokiness, the yellow, you know, the yellow leaves and the dark lip is just giving me life. The green shirts, the backdrop, like it's just like, honey. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing this nice yellow brown smoky eye tutorial with this dark lip. I haven't worn this lip in so long. It's Colourpop, of course, and I'm going to give you this nice full makeup look, nice and glowy, super matte, and without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we get to this video, before we get down to the nitty gritty, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you liked it, and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how much you love this video. So I already did one eye off camera, so now we're going to get started with the other eye, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 258 palette. I haven't used this palette in like stupid long, so we're gonna use it today. I'm gonna just basically go in my crease with this shade. Now I'm gonna go in with under that crease shade, and I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 of these shades. Literally, I mixed all 4 of these shades to get this little nice like type of like a gray color, a light gray color. So I'm gonna use all 4 of these shades. We're gonna go with the It's My Ray what number brush is this? The number, does it go like this or does it go like this? It's My Ray brush. It's like a pointy brush, and we're gonna dip into all 4 of those shades, and we're gonna just intensify the crease. I'm gonna give that more dimension. Okay, so for the main attraction, we're gonna go in with this yellow shade right here. This shade is freaking a bomb. Look how foily that is, honey. So, let me try if I can put this on with my finger. Yes, I can. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to go with a brush. Deepen up the outer V like I did on this side, and I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna go into this chocolate shade right here. I was gonna use black, but you know, black is so traditional. So I'm gonna use this chocolate brown, and I'm gonna just tap it here. I'm not gonna move it. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit, but I just want it to stay here so it can give it like a little gradient effect. So I'm gonna go with my NYC black liquid liner and just do a line, I guess, for the lashes. We're gonna just do a line across. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm about to use the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist. This stuff is bomb. I need to go get it. It's $8. You're gonna do these pores. Using my e.l.f. Prep Blurr Stick. This is my favorite primer. If y'all know any other primers y'all want me to try out, let a sister know. I even do my laugh lines because most y'all gonna go in with the Colourpop foundation. I have a review on this foundation. I will link that in the description box and I'll pop in the cards. I'm in the shade 190 Deep Dark. Okay, now so we're gonna use the Colourpop No Filter from concealer. I love this concealer. Like, if y'all want to do my favorite concealer video, please let me know. Let a sister know.